Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On October 8, 2021, Indian Air Force would be celebrating its 89th anniversary, and it would be a grand event and the celebration for the force with a spectacular air show. The 89th Air Force Day will take place at the Air Force Station Hindon, and the Indian Air Force conducted a full dress rehearsal at Ghaziabad's Indian Air Force Station. The Air Force Station Hindon is an Indian Air Force base under the Western Air Command, and it is said to be the biggest and the largest air base in entire Asia. This is the base where Indian Air Force celebrates Air Force Day every year on October 8th. The four images which were shared by the Indian Air Force on Twitter became the topic of discussion on the internet, which marks the beginning of the 89th anniversary celebration for this particular year. These pics released by the Indian Air Force were so gorgeous that we wanted to keep seeing them. As per the defense sources, the air display will commence with flag-bearing skydivers of the famous Akash Ganga team dropping out of the AN-32 aircraft in their colorful canopies. And the flight past would include the heritage aircraft, the modern transport aircraft, and frontline fighter jets. In order to ensure the safety of the aircraft, the pilots, and the people on the ground, the Indian Air Force has requested all citizens of Delhi, Ghaziabad, and its neighborhood not to throw the eatables and garbage in open space because these type of eatables thrown out in the open attracts birds which can pose a serious threat to the aircraft flying at low levels. According to me, instead of requesting the public not to throw wastes, which is indeed a good request, Indian Air Force should have acquired the bird detection radars by now, which are also known as the avian radars. India floated many tenders to acquire such radars in the past, but none of them has been successful as of now. Speaking about these things now is not going to help, so it's my humble request to the public, whoever is living near the Air Force station, not to throw wastes in open ground. Let's make this Air Force Day celebration grand and a memorable one in all good aspects. It is indeed a very proud moment for every Indian, and every defense lovers would be happy to celebrate such a day, and that too when they love the soldiers and pilots who sacrifice their life and time for the nation. Jai Hind.